also caters internship and career opportunities, a broad career landscape, which we'll talk in the later slides. And then it also provides financial support by providing more than 8 lakh US dollars in scholarships and grants available each year. So the career resources that I was talking about were through internships and employment opportunity. Websites are offered by each of the partner organizations. That is, TMS has its own career center where you can access like career related profiles like for metallurgy, ceramic, plastics, semiconductors, composites, etc. Whereas ACM, it caters, or it will provide you all the free and confidential resume posting, job search control, easy job application, and even you can save hundreds of jobs in your profile itself. Then we have this ACERS Career Centers and AIST Student Resume Board, similar to the other societies, but the professional people related to these centers are very differently. And there are companies like for steel industry, the companies related to AIST approach the AIST Student Resume Board. So when you will become a member, you can access these things as well for these individual societies. Now, the next question that arises is, why should I become a member? So as you must have seen in my first slide, it was mentioned that once you'll become a member, you'll see that everything else is immaterial. So, and here is why they say so. I'll just highlight. So you will win cash prizes at various MA contests, grants and scholarships of up to $8 lakh. You are provided with discounts at discounts to attend conferences on the registration fees. So, for example, if there is a conference, say MSNT 2020 is going virtual this time, and you need to register for that conference. And so, for a non-member, they'll cost around something around $250 to $300, whereas for a member like me, they'll charge me $100. So that is approximately 1/3 of the amount that. And I think in dollars, when you'll convert it into rupees, then it will cost you, it will be very, like being a member will be more economical than going to that conference without being a member. The other benefits are, not only this, MA also bears your travel expenses for attending the conferences organized by the partner organizations. In this way, you will get an additional chance to attend an international conference. Like here at ITK, DOA will provide you some fund, but that will restrict you to attend the number of conferences. But material advantage does not bar its members from attending the conferences. You can become the member every year and avail these travel grants. Also, you can earn money at conferences by becoming monitors for various sessions organized therein. So this is also an added benefit. Like this can be like sort of a pocket money for you people to attend the conference and bear your expenses there itself. So I'll highlight the various travel grants that the chapter provides, that Material Advantage provides to the chapters. So the travel grant, as indicated already by Sir, the travel grants are provided to the student chapters, such as like IIT Kanpur is a student chapter. So the travel grants are provided to the student chapters. So MSNT, for MSNT travel grant, they are providing $500 for ACER, events related to ACERs, $500, and so on and so forth. They also provide student chapter travel reimbursements, as already indicated in my earlier slide. Then after all this publicity, here comes the main question. How much do I have to pay? So membership for all 4 societies will cost you $30 per member per year. But Sir has already told that it used to cost him $15 each for each society. But right now it is collaboratively, it is $30 for all the 4 societies. So, but during the membership drive, you will have to pay $15 per member per year. Not only this, the students who are in the final year of their PhD or MTech or BTech, they will also avail 1 year complimentary membership after graduation. And that is for sure. I can give it in written because people have availed this thing in past as well. So I think this must have brought a smile on everyone's face right now, especially the ones who are nearing graduation. Okay. Not only this, members, once you'll become a member in October, you can also, like, people will join the department in December or sometime in the winter, in spring semester as well. So what you can do is a member can recruit another member and they can win prizes. This thing is conducted in February, and for recruiting one new member, the existing member, the one who is recruiting, he or she will get $200 for themselves, and the new member who is getting recruited will get $50 for the new for this new membership. Whereas if you are recruiting 2 or more new members, you will receive $400 for yourself and $100 for the new member. In 2019, last year, Mr. Rupesh Chakle from MSc department has availed this this recruitment award by Material Advantage. So this was all about Material Advantage. Now I think now the channel to join it is by getting associated with an official chapter to receive all the grants and scholarships, and that is Material Advantage at IIT Kanpur chapter. Here is the website link, and we also have a Facebook page. You can also write to us at the given mail ID for any further queries. Whereas the Material Advantage at IIT Kanpur has been a very active chapter since its foundation in September 2009. So I will just move and introduce you all to our team who works tirelessly in organizing these innovative events for the members and IIT community at large. You know, all have heard our faculty advisor, Dr. Kantesh Bilani, speaking earlier, and you were listening all the time to Miss Shruti Dubey. One second. So, okay, so now I'll ask my team to just switch on the videos one by one and introduce themselves so that everyone gets acquainted with us and they can like know whom they have to go to and talk about taking the membership or any other query related to Material Advantage. Myself, Shruti Dubey, and I am holding the chair position in Material Advantage, IIT Kanpur chapter, and I'm pursuing my PhD in Material Science and Engineering department. Over to you, Rubia. You can switch on your video. I'll just turn it off for myself.
Shruti, am I audible?
Yes, Rubia, you are.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Rubia Hassan, a fourth-year candidate in the Department of Material Science and Engineering. So I'm holding the position of Vice Chair in MAIITK, and my job is to just support and assist the chair and take the charge in case she is absent for some reason. So this is it.
Okay, so next we have Sekat.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, you are, Sekat.
Good afternoon, I am Sekat Mandal. I am pursuing PhD here in IIT Kanpur. I am holding the position of Secretary in IIT and Materials Advantage IIT Kanpur chapter, and my job is to maintain all the documentation work related to it. That's all.
Okay, so next we have Zainul.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Zainul Abedin. I am pursuing PhD in the Department of Material Science and Engineering, and I am the current treasurer of Material Advantage at IIT Kanpur chapter. And my work is to look after all the expenses and budget of all the events that will be carried out during this session. And for any funding related activities, you can always ask me. Thank you. Shruti, over to you.
Okay. So for all the money related matters, you can contact Zainul. Next we have Shipra. Shipra.
Hello everyone, this is Shipra Vajpayee. Currently I am holding the position of publicity coordinator. Last year I was holding the position for website coordinator. So this year my whole job is to publicize whatever is happening with Material Advantage, all the events and its social media post and everything related to this. So in case you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thanks.
Okay, so next we have Swapnil.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Hello?
Yes, Swapnil, you are.
Myself, Swapnil, and I'm doing my PhD here in IIT Kanpur, and I am website coordinator of Material Advantage team, and My job is to publish every news about the event, that is nearby event coming, and the results of event on website of Material Advantage and on social media too. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Swapnil. So next we have Prince Setia.
Am I audible?
Yes, Prince, you are, but please turn on your video so that everyone can at least see you and get acquainted with you.
I have switched on my video.
Yes.
Hello,
yes.
everyone. My name is Prince. I am currently pursuing PhD from Department of Material Science and Engineering at IIT Kanpur. So currently, I am holding the post of student advisor. So basically, as stated by Professor Balani, that TMS is in partnership with Material Advantage, offer a lot more to students, in terms of technical resources, grants, travel grants, and many more career opportunities and network communication through the 4 societies, ACES, TMS, MA. So if you have any query related to the membership and what about the benefits, you are always welcome to send me an email. Thanks.
Thank you, Prince. So you all know that Prince is the person to whom you have to go and ask all your queries. So you can flood him with all your questions and queries anytime. Next, we have Deepak. Prince, you can turn off your video. Deepak.
Yes, ma'am. My video is disabled by host.
No issues. I think people can see you on the screen, and then they'll get to see you when we'll be there back on campus. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward to meet everyone in person. Hello, everyone. My name is Deepak. I'm MTech second year student at Department of MSc. I'm event manager for the society. So my job is to assist and coordinate in smooth functioning of any events that you are going to see in the upcoming days.
Okay, thank you, Deepak. Next, we have Sonali.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Sonali, you are audible. Please turn on your video.
Turn on. Am I visible?
Yes, you are visible.
Hello everyone. My name is Sonali Gupta. I'm a third year BTech student from Material Science Department, and I'm UG coordinator at Material Advantage Society, IIT Kanpur. So my job is basically to coordinate with all the events and look for the UG participation and all.
So the UG students can contact her, since she'll be easily approachable and you can find her in any of your classes. So we have introduced this post this time to increase the UG participation, because Material Advantage caters many opportunities to UG people. So this time we are looking forward to much of UG participation as well. Thank you, Sonali. So this was all about our team, and we are just as a family here. All the members and the team members, they are like a family here at IIT Kanpur. We not only conduct events, we also socialize, meet, there are meetups and treats and everything. So there are even informal events which are conducted, and we really rejoice and cherish those moments a lot. So I think those are some of the best memories of my stay at IIT Kanpur, and probably for all the other members as well. Here is a glimpse of all the fun. One second. So I've just prepared a gallery of what all fun we do. So this is just a glimpse of all the fun that we have with our extended family here at IIT Kanpur. As you can see, we also get grants for pizza parties and all, and pizza parties are very frequent things that we do. Also cycling in campus, yoga sessions, badminton, where our faculty advisor also joined us. So these are some events, like fun activities and events where we also relax, and these are real stress busters during our research and studies, and I think a very much needed break. So we also organize those things for the members. These activities are exclusively for our members only. So also, these were some of the past events. Despite being in the situation of lockdown and pandemic, we also managed to conduct few events. For the first time, they were conducted online, and I also posted the winners for these events. And we are looking forward for much more participation, many folds in during our membership drive. Material Advantage at IIT Kanpur has also it has